Today I'm going to show you how to connect the FreezeStax together. This is what you got on Amazon, and you will receive this. I appreciate no, my rice cook is done. So just want to say thank you for your support, and it's come with a 3 base. I'm gonna show you put together. So you connect it back. Okay. You can put it back here and put the lid. And if you have more food, you can also connect this together to push it out. Into 2 pieces, but if you have more food, you can put it and then you will use this kind of Ziploc bag. You fold it about 1 inch. And then you slice, and then you can put anything in there: spaghetti sauce, rice, and also you can make ice packs for a trip, picnic. It lasts all day. And so here you go.